चुके थे एंड पवेलियन में वहां से वो डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट ऑफ दैट इज क्लियर। तो वो गया। यहां पर एक और क्वेश्चन था तुगलक डायनेस्टी में, उसका नाम था इब्न बटूटा। इब्न बटूटा नाम सुना है? एंड ही वाज मोरक्कन ट्रैवलर, ही वाज अ मोरक्कन ट्रैवलर एंड ही वाज इसके समय में क्या है, इनके समय में था नहीं। ही सेड दैट जोना खान इज पॉसिबली हैज कंस्पायर्ड टू किल हिज फादर, जोना खान। तो इब्न बटूटा हु हैज रिटन रहला और मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक ने इसको भेज दिया था, जाओ तुम। जब आया तो मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक इन हिज एम्पायर ही सेंड इट टू चाइना टू सम नॉलेज अबाउट हिम। उसके बाद इतना डरा हुआ था, आया भी था और फिर दोबारा उसको भेजा, उसके बाद वो कभी लौट के नहीं आया। इट डायरेक्टली मूव टू मोरक्को। फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन ही सेंट ही कम बैक, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो ही वाज हाईली टेरिफाइड बाय द मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक and thereafter he never returned back and he directly moved from China to Africa, Morocco, the westernmost part. So this is an Ibn Battuta. So I said that dispatched his son Jana Khan to establish the authority in the Warangal and Madurai and had troublesome relationship with the Sufi saint Sheikh Nizamuddin Auliya and died in 1325 after a fall from the high raised pavilion. And Ibn Battuta, the Moroccan traveler who was in Delhi at that time, opined that his death was due to the sabotage arranged by his son Jona Khan. Understood? It is simply, अब कौन आ गया? Who can? चलो, अभी भी empire was in good condition. Empire was in good condition. हम देखते हैं that what is it? Destruction of everything coming of Jona Khan, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He regarded as the most controversial figure in the Indian history, and because of his 5 ambitious projects. देखते हैं कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट हैं। गंगा यमुना द्वाब, which I said that आपको if you remember that this is in I said Nepal and this is in Uttarakhand and this is in UP. And from here Ganga goes and there is a border, it is in a Yamuna. So in the Ganga Yamuna Dwab, he increased the tax. And at that time, suddenly what happened? They were facing famine. They faced famine and famine followed by plague. So this policy was finished. Another, he took an interest. If I have to, what is in a rule in the whole India, then I have to shift my capital from Delhi to Devgiri, Daulatabad. So Devgiri, कहाँ से? Devgiri. And Devgiri में कौन सा कैपिटल बनाया? Daulatabad. Understood? That is in the Aurangabad district. सारा अजंता एलोरा एक ही जगह बैठा हुआ। एंड आई सेड दैट, और ये क्या है? वेस्टर्न घाट, एंड वेस्टर्न घाट अदर साइड इज leeward effect, less rainfall. And what he did, he said that if I have to rule, because you know that there is an Yadavas of Devgiri, Hosala of Dwarsamudra, Kakyatiyas and Pandyas, he has to rule north, that is okay intact, south that is I have to make it strong. Then he moved all along with not only officials and all, whole Delhi shifted to, along with people, everyone shifted to Daulatabad under the pressure. In 2 years' time, they came to realize due to the lack of paucity of water, this much population cannot. So then again, after 2 years, he took a decision to return to Delhi. And जैसे Delhi return हुआ, the mismanagement is there. Mismanagement, then people are not having managed to go to such a long distance and move till Delhi. So many people died. मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए ना, हजारों लाखों को लेकर जाने के लिए, वी शुड हैव बेटर, लाखों को ले जाने के लिए मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए। एंड लॉट्स, अब जब पहुंचे तो पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिल्ली इज लेस एंड बिकम एन घोस्ट टाउन। इट इज लुकिंग लाइक लोग दिखते ही नहीं थे, इट बिकम व्हाट? घोस्ट टाउन। दिस इज द सेकंड मिस्टेक ही डिड। व्हाट इज द एंड द थर्ड मिस्टेक ही डिड, देन demonetization. It is based on China, based on That time Chinese model पे भी he tried to do demonetization. He said that you have gold, you have jewel, we have silver and all. अब ये हटा दो. All you give you. This is a 1 gram of gold. I am giving you 1 gram of copper. One copper will be equal to 1 gram of gold. चलो सब लोग भरो. तो उन्होंने मार्केट में क्या लिया है? 1 ग्राम मतलब कॉपर एज ना करेंसी. एंड देन अदर को सबको अपने लाने लगे. Nobody was ready to put this. चलो कुछ तो आ गया. मार्केट में फेक कॉपर करेंसी बन गया. एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड सेइंग सर मेरा गोल्ड चाहिए. जिनको लिया नहीं था वो तो दे ही दिया. एंड दे हैव ऑलरेडी देयर ओन गोल्ड एंड करेंसी. ट्रेजरी ही हैज टू गिव आल्सो. अल्टीमेटली ट्रेजरी खाली. ही हैज टू लीव दिस आल्सो. Another he said that I have to defeat Iraq. I have to defeat Persia and Iraq. तब वहां पे जा रहा था. तो इराक की तरफ खुरासान and Iraq. And he took in a year, he established more army, more training, more money, more food and all. 1 year preparation. After that came to know Iraq become stronger. So again he has to what? Leave this. And then one, it is I said that Karajal, that is Kumaon Hills, वहां पे भी अटैक करने का था. That is also what proved to be disastrous. So completely he become negative in his treasury. वो bankrupt हो चुका था. तो बताओ कैसे आर्ट एंड कल्चर डेवलप होगा. During his last days, the whole South India, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? Army is not getting the money and they do not have the money. I have said that Arthashastra of Kautilya says that if you want to run your government in a much better way, you should have a better finance. And without finance, how do the army will go along with you? So slowly and slowly everywhere, what is it? Officers started becoming, what is it? छोड़ दो उसको, छोड़ दो उसको, छोड़ दो. And then काकतिया सब, वारंगल, होशाला, द्वार समुद्रा, पांड्या सब, सॉरी यादवा सब, देवगिरी, पांड्या सब, मदुरई, सब लोग बोले कि मैं तो इंडिपेंडेंट. Everyone get independent. Even the other, Bengal, Gujarat, Malwa, Mewar, everyone get independent. Because of this 5 mistakes. Historical mistakes. जिसकी वजह से whole Indian picture has been changed. So that is I said that. And then थोड़ा सा इसने अच्छा काम किया है. New Department for Agriculture. And then इस समय आपको देखो ये 3 major independent states has been also formed. यादव जब देवरी खत्म होने लगे थे और ये कब की इशू है आपको पता है ना? 1350. यादव जब देवरी के स्थान पे कौन आ गया? बामनी किंगडम. एंड देन साउथ में कौन आ गया? विजयनगर एम्पायर. एंड समवेयर हियर एंड देन अदर. Understood? 1350. Yes, sir. 1350 to 1650. Who is there? Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Kingdom. Understood it? And then इन्होंने थोड़ा सा अच्छा काम ये किया कि डिपार्टमेंट फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. व्हाट इज द डिपार्टमेंट फॉर एग्रीकल्चर? पता नहीं इसको क्या मिल गया इससे. ही न्यू अरेबिक एंड पर्शियन लैंग्वेज. देखो कितना अच्छा पर्सन है. अरेबिक एंड पर्शियन. एंड ही वाज एन एक्सपर्ट इन फिलॉसफी. मतलब किसी को बेवकूफ बनाना है तो एक्सपर्ट इन फिलॉसफी. वो तो चाहिए था. ही वॉज इन द अटर लॉस देयरफॉर ही नीड टू बी गुड एट फिलॉसफी एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमी. कौन सा एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड लॉजिक लगाया कि he said I have to do these 5 mistakes and logic, and he also good in mathematics. So he was also calligrapher. क्या फायदा ऐसी चीजों का? So calligrapher समझते हैं beautiful. So and then fortress. And then आपको मैंने याद कराया था, आपको याद है कौन? मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक ने क्या किया था? वो तो कर दिया. उसके बाद 2 मिस्टेक्स और किए उसने. कहीं पर बैठ के कुछ छोड़ दिया और उसके छोड़ने से लोग क्या करने लगे? आधी खा लिया था. आधी अदरक समझते, जिंजर. याद आ रहा है? आधी खा लिया था. एंड आधी खाने के बाद उसने गर्म हवा छोड़ा. उस गर्म हवा से सब लोग बोलते हैं जहां पनाह. ग्रेट हो. सो आई सेड दैट इन्होंने 2 सिटी बनाया. सिटी ऑफ आदिलाबाद एंड सिटी ऑफ जहांपना. तो आधी खाने के बाद क्या हुआ? जहान में लोग सब पनाह मांगने लगे. तो ही हैज मेड द आदिलाबाद एंड देन सिटी ऑफ and then all Arabic in a fort also. The famous traveler, कौन थे in his time? Ibn Battuta came to Delhi and he acted as a Qazi for some years and recorded the contemporary Indian scene, and that is known as Safarnama or called Rihla. Understood? Understood it? So this is the thing that it has been done. And then I said that इनके सारे mistakes को अब कौन ले रहा है? इनका cousin. Who is cousin? समझते हैं? What is cousin? Firoz Shah. अब ये बताओ, in case of you do not have money, then you will become itself liberal. तो Firoz Shah Tughlaq adopted liberal policy. समझ में आ गया? What is the reason that Firoz Shah Tughlaq adopted liberal policy after the Muhammad bin Tughlaq? That they do not have finance. Now he started trying to increase his empire. And how he trying to increase his empire? I said that liberal policy. पहला तो मतलब कितना भी पहला क्या है? आप you have taken loan, चलो छोड़ देते हैं. क्या? Agricultural loan here and there loan. Okay, and then there is some punishment, cutting the hand, cutting the nose, cutting the ear. This kind of punishment has been also. चलो ये तो ठीक ठाक है. I said that he tried to appease everybody. He cancelled the loans of peasants which had been advanced by his predecessors, and then he did not give any harsh punishment and banned the inhuman practice like cutting hands, nose. अच्छी बात है, कितना अच्छा है ना? लेकिन हमारी मूर्तियों को कौन तोड़ दिया? Why he has broken our architecture? Firoz Shah Tughlaq is famous for destroying Mathura. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. One side he is saying that I am trying to appease the people and then I don't want a punishment, then why he is doing? Then the two persons are there. One Mr. Aurangzeb and one I said that Firoz Shah Tughlaq. I said that destroyed our architecture at Mathura. Understood? क्या तोड़ा इन्होंने? मथुरा. लेकिन दिल्ली को सजाया. दिल्ली को कैसे सजाया पता है? He went to Meerut, brought the Ashok pillar from here. He went to Ambala, he brought the pillar from the Ambala, and that is known as the Dilli Topra. That is known as what? Yes or not? This pillar has been brought from Meerut and Ambala, and then he made this pillar over there. दिल्ली को decorate कर रहे हैं. What he is doing? बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी हैं. मुझे एक ही चीज का अच्छा नहीं लगा. One thing that I did not like, that is I said that architecture. इन्होंने दारू पिलाने के लिए क्या कर दिया? दुकान खोल दिया. Yes, हाँ तो दारू का खाना खोल दिया, दारू सलाम. And then I said that दारू सफा, दीवाने खैरात. दो चीजें इन्होंने खोली थी. क्या खोली थी इन्होंने? What he has done? दारू अल सफा. And then I said that दीवाने, ये दोनों क्या है? मेडिकल है, मेडिकल से रिलेटेड है, मेडिसिन एंड ऑल. मतलब अच्छा काम है, लेकिन मैं आपको हंसी में याद करा रहा हूँ. I said that दारू की दुकान खोल दिया और वो भी क्या दे रहे हैं? सबको खैरात में. कैसे दे रहे हैं? तो there is a good thing, medical help to the people. Yes or not? Medical help to the people. He, and as I said you that he has done several kind of, what is the canals has been dug and then irrigation potential of the India has been increased. Who has done this? Mr. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Understood it? And then let's go. I said that he tried to appease everybody and he cancelled the loans of peasant which has been advanced by the predecessor. He did not give any harsh punishment and banned the inhuman practices like cutting hands, nose, etc. Agriculture was developed by the reclamation of wasteland. If the irrigation is there, wasteland converted into agricultural land? Yes or no? And I said by providing irrigation facility, he constructed 4 canals for irrigation along the Ganga and Yamuna. And then I said that he made iqtadari system to be hereditary, क्योंकि ये इसके लिए करना जरूरी था, because he doesn't have money, he need faith. The principle of hereditary was recognized not only in this kind of offices but also in the army. The soldiers को जो land दिया गया था, that has been also made hereditary. Understood it? क्योंकि soldiers से भी पैसा एक ही तरीका था कि how we can survive our soldiers to be intact with us. कैसे मैं soldiers को रख सकता हूँ अपने साथ? We do not have the money to give. Then how do the soldiers can be their part? Tell me. तो जैसे इक्तादारी में था, पहले ऑफिशियल्स को दे आर नॉट गिविंग मनी, दिस ऑफिशियल्स गॉट द लैंड एंड द रेवेन्यू व्हाट दे वर गेटिंग, and that has been what is in a, they are running their own life, and then what is in a, sending to the what, running the horses and maintaining the army and sending to sultan some revenue. इस तरीके से रेवेन्यू भी मिल जाता है तो सुल्तान को, and then they are able to get their salary. Now the problem is with already Muhammad bin Tughlaq has so many mistakes, and the currency was not there, money was not there, economic situation was not good. Then what he should do? He made army where the land has been given also made hereditary. यही इसके पास चॉइस बचा था. Yes or not? नहीं तो उनको पैसा नहीं देता तो जो भी उसके पास था they can go away, they can leave. कोई भी army why he will be with you? Understood it? So also soldiers were given land assignment instead of cash payment. It's a good decision or bad decision? Good decision. It is a good decision. अब पैसा नहीं था तो क्या करता? अपने एम्पायर को बोलता मैं जा रहा हूं, तुम रहो. तो सबसे दुनिया में उसको गाली लोग देते रहते हैं, हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा जाता है. I said that, समझ में आ रहा? This is a good decision that he has taken to survive at that time, to maintain. बाद में वो रूल को चेंज भी कर सकता है. Yes. So I said that this is clear to you. Completely okay. Iqtadari make hereditary, and also the soldiers with their land has been made given, it is also made hereditary. Which are the taxation system is there? Kharaj, Jizya, yes.